Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download CodeBlocks on your PC without facing any problems. If it helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. Alright, so first of all, open your web browser. Here I'm going to open my Google Chrome browser. And after then, you will see the exact this interface. And you have to search here CodeBlocks download. And after then, choose this downloads option. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you will get an option here, download the binary release. Select this one. Click on this cross icon to remove the ad. And here you have to choose a version. So we are going to choose a version here, CodeBlocks mingw setup.exe. So this version is super clean, so you don't need to face any kind of issues if you download this version. So choose this version. I'm clicking on it, and after 3 seconds it's going to be downloaded. So here you can see that the file is going to be downloaded on my PC. Wait a few minutes until it is completely downloaded. So after downloading the file, normally go to your downloads folder. So I'm going to my downloads folder and you will get the file here, CodeBlocks. So normally double click on it and press yes. And click this next button to complete the installation process. I agree. Next, install. And it will take some time to install completely. And after the installation process has been completed, click on this yes button to open the CodeBlocks. And probably you may see a problem like this. Normally click on this OK button and that's not a problem. So click on this next button, finish. And that's it. Now we are going to write a code and going to run it again also. So choose a new file here. I'm choosing empty file and I'm gonna save it as main.cpp. So here it is saying that it already exists. I'm choosing yes. So I'm writing a code. So if you press on this build and run button, then we are going to see an output. So this is our exact output that we have wanted from CodeBlocks. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to install CodeBlocks on your PC and run your code. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.